Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the water temperature for mop cleaning on your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum 5. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then select the mop cleaning settings and select water temp for mop washing. Now you can set it to room temperature, warm or hot. Of course, the warmer the better the cleaning performance, but the cooler the more energy saving it is. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.